Hey, buddy. How you doing? How you doing?
So we just took a bike ride. Buddy's just laying here in his little trailer. Isn't that right, buddy? Huh? So yeah. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. Today in the morning we went for a bike ride. Saw a few clips of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go and ride the ATVs for a little while. I'm probably not gonna record much because I had that a few vlogs ago. Go check it out if you want, right up here. Or up here. Whatever side. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and ride the ATVs for a while and we'll see what happens after that. So yeah.
The next day.
I'll see if I can get in this thing. It's a little high off the ground, but we'll find out. There's like a railing here, but it's still kind of scary. Dang. Oh wow, this is nice. It's really close to the edge here, as you see. Like, right there. But it's a nice view here. Quite a nice view indeed. But anyway, today is Monday, the 2nd of August. The 2nd. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm like inside the hammock now. But anyway, today's the 2nd of August. It's around 3:12 in the afternoon. Just been chilling all morning. Helped my mom clear out the computer because wasn't much storage, so you know. But yeah, but today's kind of just a chill day. Everyone's home, just chilling. Just gonna chill probably for the rest of the day. Probably not gonna do anything, but I will let you know if we do. So see you then.
5 minutes later.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
How you doing, bud? Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Hi, how you doing?
The next morning.
Hi, buddy. How are you doing, huh? Huh? You wanna go for a walk?
Okay, it is now August 3rd, Buddy's birthday. We're about to go for a walk. It's around 9:55. I didn't want you, Siri. Literally, Siri just turned on. Anyway, yeah, we're about to go for a walk. Go away. But yeah, we're gonna go for a walk. Maybe go somewhere later. We'll see what happens. But we're gonna have some fun, so yeah.
What you doing? You just chilling? Huh?
So we went for a walk. That was a while ago now. It's now 11:19, but you know, just been chilling for a while. Put back up the mirror a little bit ago, cause our bathroom got painted, so I had to put back up the mirror. yeah, looks pretty nice. Still a few things there that need touched up, but I was gonna touch it up, but I can't find the frickin' paintbrushes. I don't know where they went, so I'll do that later. But yeah, just gonna chill out for a little bit. Might go somewhere later and enjoy the sun here. So yeah, we'll see what goes on.
Eventually.
Okay, so I about to make some lunch, but I just took this turkey out of the freezer because there's only one piece of this stuff left. So I'm gonna try to defrost that on a plate or something. I'm gonna have to use a burger bun because I'm apparently out of bread. So hopefully this goes well. Okay, let's see. So, looks like, man, frozen turkey is the worst, bro. At least if you want to eat it right away, because I'll make it work. Okay, well, I'll make it work. Hopefully this goes well. You know, don't blow something up. Just kidding. Okay, so, woo, that's cold. Well, I guess that's what happens when something's in the fridge. Didn't turn out bad, especially just a bunch of ripped turkey in a bun with cheese, but, you know, it worked, so. Go ahead and set this down. Oh, there's my H2O. 9. Oh, I gotta fill my bottle. Voila! And it is empty. That was good.
1 hour later.
The drone. Just been driving around for a little while. Found this field, but it looks like a pain to get over to it, and looks like might get our feet dirty. So if we don't find anywhere else, we're probably just gonna drive around for a little longer, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we just arrived, State Park, decided to stop. Quite nice out here today. There's Buddy, probably about to pee on that thing. But yeah, it's pretty fun here, so cool. So I didn't chart the drone since last time we used it. which was a fail. Just a little flashback to that. Oh dang. Right now the drone is in there, right over there. So that's the drone. But, so it lasted like probably a minute max. Didn't last very long. See, this blinking means that the battery's dying. Anyway, but yeah, at least Buddy got to play with a little bit. I might try to set it up a couple more times. I'm not going to charge the battery here because that would take forever in the car. So yeah, probably just going to head home and just chill out for the rest of the afternoon, evening here. So yeah.
One eternity later.
Alright everyone, I think that's going to go ahead and do it for this vlog. If you want to see more, there's a playlist right up there of all my vlogs since vlog 1, which was like last November 25th or something. Man, it doesn't feel like that long, but it's been quite a while. It's been like 8 months since the since I posted the first one. Damn. Let's go ahead and do it for this vlog, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Adios.